Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading, and thanks for joining us for one of our infamous parking lot tests. This is an all stainless steel conveyor by Garvey. You can see with tabletop chain on it. It's a 7.5 inch wide by 14 foot. It is set up as a variable speed unit. Has a 90 volt DC drive operating on 120 volt. Has some packing wings mounted on this. They are 30 inches in each section by 12 inches. And we do have some in stock if you'd like to add some to make this a larger packing table. This is 60 inches long, obviously 230 sections at the midpoint of the conveyor. It also has a 110 volt system wired the length of the conveyor by plugging in right there. It's a 1/3 horse lease-on motor with the corresponding controller. We have lots of conveyors in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website, where we have everything in process and packaging. www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.